Hello Duamans, this is Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph. Andito na naman tayo sa Clark Parade Grounds, dito sa Clark Freeport Zone. This is for the second leg of the Duaman Duathlon 2024 series. Second leg siya ng SBR Tri-Series and the Duaman Triple Crown. So kita nyo naman, ano tayo ngayon, special shades tayo. Then nakita lang namin yan sa isang artist sa bazaar. Gawa-gawa siya mga alambre lang. So promote na rin natin siya. So anyway, andito tayo ngayon, very bright and sunny. Hopefully the weather holds up. So tara, rutahin natin ulit kasi ang dami nag-message sa amin, "Sir, wala ba yung video kagaya ng last year para ma-visualize namin ulit yung buong karera?" Sige, gawin natin ulit. So switch ko lang yung camera. Yan, andito tayo ngayon sa Clark Parade Grounds. Andito tayo sa parking lot kung saan gaganapin yung finish line, transition and everything. So start tayo, dito yung start natin dun. Dito tayo sa kalsada. Lipat natin Yan. So mass start tayo at 6 AM. All 500 of you will start at the same time. Full light. Yun, sabay-sabay na yan. So rutahin natin. So dito yung start natin. Atras tayong konti para talagang todo race experience. Yan. So dito natin gagawin, if you will watch the video, yung 2023 race natin, nandito yung start arc. So dito tayo lahat mag-i-start sa kalsada for run number 1. Run number 1 is 6 kilometers for the full distance, and then run number 2 for the light distance, it's 3 kilometers. So each loop is 3 kilometers. So if you're doing the full distance for run 1, that's 2 loops, and if you're doing the light distance, that's 1 loop. Okay, so start tayo dito. So each loop of this is 3 kilometers. Okay, so keep that in mind. So ulitin ko, full distance, ang distances nyo for the race, 6 km run, 20k bike, and then 3 km run. For the light distance, if you're doing the light, 3 kilometers, 10k, and then 3 kilometers again. Okay, so start na tayo. O kunwari, ito, visualize na natin na start na yung race. Okay, go. Ayan na. So sa race pala, you need to keep left because clockwise yung route natin, so walang X sa pagpasok sa transition. So obviously nandito tayo sa right side now, but dahil kailangan natin sumunod sa traffic, but sa race tatakbo kayo dito and then pabalik dito. Okay, so start lang tayo dito. So kita nyo naman, the route is very flat, the road route that is. 8 stations, there will be 2 aid stations on the run course, each at the U-turn. So babaha ulit ng tubig sa race natin. Tubig, ice, please wag nyo tipirin, ubusin nyo, dahil sabi nga namin hindi na namin gagamitin yan after ng race. So might as well gamitin nyo na during the race. So straight lang, very shaded, diba? Kaya napabalik din kami dito sa area na to. Aside from very ano na kasi, para kumbaga structured na, alam na yung mangyayari, saka safe pa rin. So dito, stop, first to go. So dito tayo sa traffic rule syempre ng Clark. By the way, the roads will not be closed totally for the race. So as always, road sharing tayo with the cars. Yeah. So pagdating mo doon sa kanto na yun, turn right, and then you will turn right again here. Okay, first to go, parang Civic lang. Turn right, and then you will turn right again here. But this is closed usually, but this will be open for us during the race. So mangyayari, pasok kayo dyan, tapos diretso lang, you will hit a U-turn spot, U-turn kayo doon, may aid station dyan, balik, and you will do another loop. You will do another loop if you're doing the full distance, and then kung one loop lang kayo, pasok na sa transition. So imagine natin so ito yung road, nakadiretso na kayo doon sa medyo dulo na, and then balik. So ikot na tayo ulit. So ito na, nakabalik na kayo, di ba? Tapos turn left here. So kung pabalik na tayo, nandito na tayo sa lane na to. Okay. Of course, we'd like to thank Clark for being our official venue partner. Ang dami nating sponsors for this race, so maraming salamat. Full support to Clark, and also Philinvest, Mimosa, Quest Hotel, Fontana. Yan, maraming salamat. So turn left tayo dito pagdating sa kanto. Yan, kita nyo naman, gradient ng run course, very flat. Not even false flat, flat talaga siya. So diretso lang. Balik tayo kung saan tayo nag-start. Going now to the transition area. And straight lang. Tapos ang maganda rin dito sa course na to, very spectator friendly. So kung may families kayo and everyone else watching you, please make sure na mag-cheer sila sa inyo. Yan, mapapanood nila kayo maski sa isang location lang sila. Shout out to the Red Crab from Ninong Raymond Magdaluyo. Yan. So ito na. So andito na tayo ulit. Ito na yung crucial part. If you're doing the full distance, merong U-turn sign here. So U-turn ka ulit, balik ka, do one loop, because each loop, di ba, is 3 kilometers. So but if you're doing the light, tapos ka na, pasok ka na dito sa transition area to get your bike. Ayan. So ito na. So pagpasok mo dito, ito na yung crucial part. Andito yung mga bikes lahat, and then merong isa din entrance doon, which goes to the finish. So obviously, you go inside. Dito muna. Yan. So pagdating mo dito sa spot na to, merong isa to transition, and then yung isa to finish. So pasok ka. Ito yung flow. Ito yung flow ng transition. I will explain this also sa race briefing natin. So pasok ka. Pasok ka dito, and then you will turn right to enter the transition area here. So turn right again. Now you are in the transition area. Dito lahat ng mga bikes, naka-bike rack yan. Please make sure to know your bike number and kung saan mo siya pinark, since marami tayong newbies ngayon. Almost 90% na naman baguhan. So yan, hanapin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakapark. Lalagyan natin ng carpet yan to make it easier for you guys. So let's say nandito ka nakapark. So nakapark tuloy, naka-bike rack. So yun na, kunin mo na yung bike mo, change it to your cycling gear, and then yun na, go out to transition area. So paglabas mo ng transition area, dito, lakad ka. Hindi ka pa mag-bike dito. You will start biking here at the bike mount area. Yan, palampasin lang natin si Kuya. Palampas tayo, mabait siya. Thank you. So dito yung bike mount area. So ito na, start na tayo ng bike course. Rutahin natin. Let's go. So yung bike course natin, siguro rolling siya. Yeah, siguro hindi naman siya hilly. kung ika-classify natin. Last year marami naman nag-enjoy dun sa bike course. Ayan. Tapos few announcement pala, like last year, dapat kasi yung bike course natin will be at the wall, dun kayo mag-U-turn. Pero since merong hindi natin alam kung may pending storm or whatever, kasi kung may bagyo doon tapos ang liit lang ng the wall, diba? Aside from being hard for the participants, can get very tricky. Kasi pag 30 kilometers yung bike, you will U-turn exactly at the steepest downhill part. So pag nag-U-turn ka doon, delikado. So the organizers decided na doon na lang tayo, we will use last year's course. Yun lang, it will cut the bike course short by at least a kilometer or something, pero that's better na. It's safer, it's wider, safe for everyone. Kasi talagang yun nga, dinedebate nga namin kung sa wall kayo pag u-turn in like any other races. Okay naman, pero the cons outweighs the pros. So ayun na. So back to the route. So pagdating nyo dito, you will turn right. And then, ito na, start na tayo ng course. You will hit the highway here. Just ayusin natin yung video. Pagdating niya dito, turn right. Here's where the fun begins. So yung bike course natin dito, normal normal side na, hindi na clockwise. So normal na, so which is nandito tayo sa right side. So for the first timers, yung mga hindi pa nakakasali last year, get ready lang for some uphill portions. Pero sabi nga namin, kung may uphill, meron din yung downhill, so reward, diba? So first part, pagkaahon mo dito, upon reaching this part, this will be masarap to, downhill to. So stay on your aero bars, get your heart rate down. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, diba? Kaya makikita nyo downhill na. So like what we always say, kung beginner kayo, huwag nyo muna hatawin yung bike, lalo na if you're doing the full distance, because you will do 2 loops of this. Okay, kung light, sige lang. Pero pag full distance, pacing lang. Just make sure you finish the race, because fun fact, never pa kami naka 100% finishing rate sa Duaman. Laging 95, meron nagdi-DNF lagi, pero hopefully this time matapos natin. So ito, downhill to all the way here to this point. So if I were you, if I'm a beginner, so yeah, ayusin nyo, drink kayo ng water nyo, and get ready, get your heart rate down, and just enjoy the ride. So pagdating nyo dito, nakita nyo na yung track na yan, magkaka-uphill na. Yan. Slight uphill lang naman. Yan. So slight uphill, so may buwelo pa kayo coming from the downhill section. And then you will hit, bago pa maubos yung buwelo nyo, you will hit another downhill. Yan. So rolling siya. Actually, you can consider this as a rolling na. So downhill ulit. By the way, since marami na tayong beginner, yun naman lagi yung SBR races, diba? Maraming beginner, mga bumabalik. So pag may nakita kayong mga fellow participants, kawayan nyo lang, cheer them on. Yan, we all want everyone to finish here. As much as meron tayong mga competitive athletes, of course, na gusto mag-podium, karamihan talaga, you really just wants to enjoy the race and come back sa healthy lifestyle, diba? Yung mga matagal lang retired. Yan. So ito na, just go straight here. Yan, diretso lang. Ganda ng kalsada, diba? So when you get to this part, stop lang tayo dito. Ayan. Turn right. Kasi na, diretso na. Dito sa side na to, sa going out, shaded pa rin naman, pero yung mas kabila, yun yung pinaka talagang mapuno. Yeah, so once you hit this part, tala, start na. So aero bar na kayo dito. Enjoy the race, tuck, aero position. Kung may naka road bike kayo, drop bars, and enjoy the downhill. Yan na, dire-diretso na yan. Woo! Sarap nito, sobra. Isang patag din ng kalsada, so kudos to Clark for that. Kaya sarap dito mag-training talaga din. One of the best training places if you're a triathlete, lalo na kung duathlete. Andito na, hindi ka mauubusan ng kalsada, di ba? So straight lang, you will hit past that. Sorry, I'm not sure if that's Fontana. So straight lang. Kita nyo naman, downhill pa rin, di ba? So kung meron kayong mga kausap dyan, may mga friends kayo, just ride this downhill part together. So, but if you want to do that, make sure you stay lang dito sa side na to para baka overtake yung mga mabibilis, di ba? The draft course is draft legal, so pwede lang drafting, okay? So pwede kayo bumuntot technically. Pwede kayo bumuntot sa participant para to save on energy. Ito pa lang si Fontana on the left. Thank you, Fontana. Diyan din yung Triman Triathlon natin sa September. Okay, ito na, malapit na yung U-turn natin. Go straight lang. Dahil nagmamagal ako dahil may mga car sa likod. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng sobrang bagal. Yan. By the way, wala tayong aid stations on the bike course, okay? So make sure to bring enough na hydration with you. Sa 20 kilometers, usually 1 bottle lang yan, that's enough na. Pero if you want to be on the safe side, bring 2. Okay? So this will be our U-turn area, yung humps na yan. Yan. Tapos meron din dyan nagbebenta yung mga golf balls dyan. So we will U-turn na here for safety reasons. Yan. Abang lang tayo. Pero dito yung U-turn area, okay? So so full distance you will do 2 loops. If you're doing the light, you will do 1 loop. So kung naka U-turn ka na doon and you're doing the light distance, yun na, patapos ka na, papunta ka na sa run number 2. But if you're doing the full distance, gaya sinabi namin, just preserve because meron ka pang isa. So remember, all the way here, diba, downhill siya. So anong ibig sabihin nun, diba? What goes down must come up. Actually, parang mali ako doon. What goes up must come down. Pero syempre, since loops naman ito, so tama na rin pala technically. Hindi lang maganda pakinggan. Ayan, so ito na, buwelo ka na. If it's your first time, just relax and prepare yourself for the continuous uphill. Yan. Slight lang naman. Yan. So pagdating mo sa part na to, patag pa, pero kita nyo naman ang daming puno, diba? So shaded talaga yan. Hopefully we're gonna be blessed once again with very good weather. So far with all SBR races, maski na bumabagyo, we always get a short window para makapag-race lang na maganda. So sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. Let's all pray for that to happen. And syempre alay tayong itlog. Yan, diba? Para hindi umulan. Naka-monitor kami lagi sa weather situation. So parang nag-precaution na rin kami para kung ano man ang mangyari, kung bumagyo man or whatever, safe yung bike course natin. Kaya mas pinili natin yung last year's route. Kasi if you notice, ang lapad talaga, diba? Kumpara doon sa wall side, mag-u-turn ka dito lang, 2 lanes lang yung gagamitin mo. Ito we have the entire 4 lanes. So yun na factor the decision namin. And I hope you guys understand that because syempre safety is paramount. Gaya nga na sinasabi namin lagi, diba, sa SBR, 1% risk is a risk too big and we don't want to take that. Ayan. So ito na. So patapos na ang uphill section. So enjoy ka na. And prepare yourself to turn left pagdating mo sa kanto. Okay, stop, let's go. Turn left here. Yeah. Turn left. So downhill ulit. So what will you do when you get to this point? Enjoy lang. Prepare yourself for run number 2 if you're doing the light. If you're doing the full distance, get ready for loop number 2. Okay? So hindi ko na gagawin yung 2 loops for the full, but I will explain the U-turn. Okay? Kung saan kayo iikot. So just continue. Sorry, inuubo ako. Masyado yata ang madaldal para sa... Kasi excited ako sa route natin. Favorite course ko to among all the routes na we've done. Isa to sa mga favorite ko. Straight lang.
Recording complete.
So yun na. Tapos na yung uphill. And then get ready na for the U-turn. If we're gonna do the full distance, you will do 2. If you're light, get ready for run number 2. So turn left here. Whoops. Turn left again. Ito na. So if you're doing the full distance, you will do turn left here again. You will do 2 loops. So turn left here again. So ikot tayo, okay? Yan. So if you're doing the full distance, U-turn ka ulit dito. Right turn, sorry, for another loop. Okay, so for this route purposes, we will turn left na. Hindi na ito kasama sa course. You will never turn left dito sa route na to. Okay, balik na tayo sa transition area. So you go straight here. And then turn right again. So prepare na. Kung if you're not aiming for the win naman, relax lang. Dito ano na kayo, tayo na. Huwag na kayo lang mag aero bar because ito na yung dismount area. Pag dismount kayo here, dismount means you will get off your bike. Okay, so pagkapasok doon, pagka dismount nyo, dadalhin nyo na yung bike nyo, tutulak nyo, turn right, and then pasok sa transition area, rack your bike. So prepare na for your run number 2. And then yun na, start na. So pagka-rack nyo, labas uli dito. And then that's it. Yan na yung run number 2. Gusto nyo ba tapusin natin ulit? O sige, isa pa. So run number 2, kunwari, ito na. So may aid station ulit dito. Buhos, inom. Meron din tayong Vitargo dyan. Maraming salamat Vitargo for sponsoring us. So diretso na tayo for run number 2. Run number 2, dito ulit tayo mag-i-start. So clockwise ulit tayo. Yan, okay, sa left side ng road. So gawin natin ulit. Turn right. Dating dito, turn right again. Oops, sorry, that's our fault. And then turn right again. So run number 2 for full and light distance is only one loop. Okay, so 3 kilometers lang yan. So pagdating doon, punta ka sa dulo, U-turn, then head your way back to the finish line. Tapos na yung race. So turn left doon, then left ulit, and then you are on your way to the finish line. Straight lang. So dito tayo ulit sa left side. So takto lang. So once you get to this point, Kung first time nyo, we always suggest na ayusin nyo na yung sarili nyo, i-zip up nyo na yung tri-suit, yung buhok nyo medyo maganda, i-shade, siguraduhin nyo pantay, because may mga photographers tayo dyan, and syempre gusto nyo fresh na fresh lagi, diba? Pagdating sa pictures nyo sa finish line. Yeah, so straight here. Ito na. Once you get to this part, if this is your run number 2, turn left here, and then turn right, and then ito na. You will see the finish line right here there in front of you. So straight, and then that's the race. Tapos. So yun, thank you Duamans for watching, and we hope to see you this Sunday. Have fun. God bless. Bye.